Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl and it has been a hot minute since I have made a video to share with you guys, and I do apologize for that. All I can say is, hey, it's summertime. You know, what can you say? So today I have a trunk club to share with you. However, before I get into the trunk, I do have a special service that I wanted to share with you guys from the folks at Thread Tank. They did reach out to me and ask if I would like to try a couple of their items and share them with you guys. I have a link in the description box below. They are a company who provides like graphic tees with little, they call it stories you can wear. So I love a graphic tee, obviously. And so I picked out a couple of things that I wanted to share with you today. They sent them over to me. I do have a discount code if you're interested in checking out some of their items. It is Cheryl10. You will get 10% off your order if you use that discount code. And so yeah, their stuff is so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. I picked out a Dog Mom t-shirt. So this one is like just a crew neck tee. They do fit, I would say, true to size. I got both of mine in a large because I wanted them to be a little roomier. This one on their website, they're calling this charcoal. It does come in a lighter color, a lighter gray. They call it a heathered gray. This one was $25.99. Super cute. So I am a dog mommy. Miss Harriet Lucille is my baby. And then I also picked out a little, it's a lightweight sweatshirt. They're calling this the Simply Heart sweatshirt. This one was $29.99. It kind of sits off the shoulder. You can either wear it off one shoulder or off both shoulders. It's a very lightweight sweatshirt type of material, so you could wear it into the warmer months as well. I got this in a large. I wanted it to be a little bit roomier also, to wear with like leggings and just to be super comfy. So yes, love this service. I want to thank the folks at Thread Tank for asking me to talk about their items with you guys, and go check them out. They have all sorts of different graphic tees. Every little saying that you can think of, they've got it. And they are all very well made. The quality is awesome. So yeah, go check them out. So with that being said, now let's get into the trunk club. I did recently receive a trunk that I did not film. There was nothing in the trunk that really spoke to me. I wasn't that impressed with the trunk at all, and so I sent it all back. I didn't get anything, didn't film any of it. Anyway, so they sent me another trunk, and this one has got some really cool items in it. So the first thing that I want to show you is a little crossbody bag. So the straw bags are like the thing right now. And so I got this one. It's kind of a different take. It's more of a basket style. It does have a leather strap. This is by Street Level. This one is $76. It does have a little snap. It opens up. And yeah, so you almost expect to see like a cobra coming out of the inside of that little basket. So it's super cute. I'll show you in the over on the side that the length of the strap for me personally was not quite long enough. It kind of hit at an odd level on my hip. I would have liked for it to have been a little bit longer, and to be honest, it does have a odd odor. I don't know if it's because, I mean, they are handmade. It is a basket. I'm not sure if it's like the whatever they use to color the basket itself maybe makes it have that odor. I don't know. That's just something to think about, if it would bother you to have that odor. It's not a leather smell either. It almost smells like burnt wood. I don't know. That's the only way I know how to describe it. Super cute. Not going to be for me because of the length of the strap, and I think I would rather have a flat basket bag that lays more against the body instead of one that's more rounded like that. But that is a super cute take on the basket bag. So moving right along, you could pick out a couple of accessories. So one of the accessories that I picked out was the blue, some of Lucy's hair there, the blue light blocking glasses. These are by Quay, Australia. These are $50. These are called the Beatniks. I know my ring light's going to show up in it, but they are kind of funky, kind of cute, kind of fun. But they block the harmful blue light rays that we all get from our phones, computers, tablets. We all have our face stuck to a computer most of the day, and so that will protect your eyes from all the harmful blue light coming from your devices. The next thing that I picked up is a little necklace. This is by Uncommon James, the Kristen Cavallari brand. It is, get it out of the little bag here, I'm so sorry. The little crescent necklace. This is a super trendy little necklace right now. This is called the Nashville necklace. The little crescent moon shape. This is in gold. It is 14 karat gold plated. This one I believe was $68. It does have the lobster clasp, the adjustable. It does adjust to a little bit longer. I would have liked this one more had it hits about, I don't know, mid-chest maybe on me. I would have liked it if it would adjust down and be just a smidgen longer. But it is super cute. I really do like it. And like I said, super trendy right now. So moving along into the clothes. I asked for some black cutoff jean shorts. So my stylist has sent me these. These are by the brand Topshop. I think they're calling these the mom jeans. They're in a, I'm not sure, they're a black, but it's like a more of a distressed wash. These are $58. They're very high waist, little cut off. I think that these are very cute. I really like these. I would have preferred them in a darker black, a little less distressing. So anyway, moving along. The next item that she sent me is a pair of, now I asked for colored jeans, but I wanted them for work. And she sent me these Madewell. These are the 9-inch high waist ankle skinny jean in the Berkeley wash. These are they're in a black wash. They are a button fly. They do have the distressing at the bottom. I really like that. I love these jeans. I absolutely love these jeans. These are $135. I don't need these jeans though. I need something without the distressing that I can wear to work. And if you're looking for some casual black jeans, these are the jeans. Oh my goodness, because they are absolutely adorable. I really do love them. They just aren't exactly what I need for work. So anyway, the next thing that she sent me, since I did ask for colored jeans, she has sent me these really funky wild. These are by J brand. These are the 620 super skinny princess camo. Check it out. Pink camo pants. These bad boys are $248, and luckily for me, I don't love them, so I don't have to worry about having to pay out the $248. They are super cute. They're just not my style though. I don't think that these would work for me for work. Some pink camo at work as well. So moving along. Again, I asked for some cute tops with interesting detail, and she sent me this. This is by the brand Gibson. This pink, they're calling it the Sugarplum pink one shoulder ruffle top. It is so stinking cute. It does need a good steam. It's going to be one of those that you're going to have have to steam before wearing. It has a gauzy feel. This one is $56. I am going to be keeping this one. I really do like this. I think it's a very fun little top for summer. So that one is going to be staying with me. The next little top is by One State. It's a Cotton Eyelet top. It ties in the back. It is layered, so you don't have to worry about wearing a cami or anything underneath. This one is $89, and I tried it on. You'll see it in the try-on portion, and it is a little bit snug through the bust. There is no stretch to this one, so if you do have a larger chest, I got it in a medium, you would probably want to size up to just have a little bit more room through the bust on this one, because there is no stretch at all in this one. So she sent me another pair of black jean shorts. These are by the brand Levis. These are called the Ribcage shorts. These are super high rise. They have the button fly, but it's the covered button fly. These are on sale for $59.63. Love these. Love these. Probably going to be keeping these. These are very similar in fit, I would say, to my A-Gold E's. So yeah, really like these. Probably going to be keeping these also. Let's see. The next thing that she sent me is a pair of white denims. These are by the brand Good American. These are the Good Curve high waist jeans. These are $159. What I like about these, now I have white jeans. What I like about these, the Good American jeans fit phenomenally, if I could speak. They really do. These do have the zippered fly. They're very high waist. They hit at a very flattering level on your waist. But what I love about these, the difference in these is that they are a little bit cropped. They do have the distressed hem, and they have a slight flare at the bottom. So I really thought this is a neat, different take on the white jean. So I really do like these a lot too. The next thing that she sent me is a couple pair of shoes. I did ask for some black sandals, some black flip-flop sandals. So move around here. My feet are going to sleep. I'm sitting on my feet. So she sent me the Tory Burch mini Millers. They have the gold little detail, the little Tory Burch logo. They are very flat. These are kind of like a jelly material. If you had the jelly shoes in the 80s, ladies, then you know what I'm talking about. Let's see, these were I want to say these were $159. I think that's right. I will double check that. I'll put all the names of everything that she sent me and the prices in the description box below, though, to be certain on what these are. I want to say $159. I don't know. Anyway, I'll look it up. I'll put it in the description box below. These, I don't think that I'm going to be keeping. I think that they're beautiful. I think that the gold and the black looks beautiful together. I think it looks elegant. However, I think these would hurt my toe. They're very stiff in between the toe, and I don't think that I could stand it. So those are probably going to go back. The other sandals that she sent me are the Tory Burch Millers. Now in black, I have these in the vintage vachetta. I want to say these are right around the $200 price point. Probably going to keep these. Probably going to keep these because I love the vintage vachetta Millers that I have, and so I think that the black is going to be a nice addition to wear with all of my outfits that would require a black shoe. So very nice quality, gorgeous little sandals. So that about wraps it up for what I got in this box. I'm really excited. I love Trunk Club. Trunk Club is my absolute favorite. Trunk Club, you can, it is a Nordstrom service from Nordstrom. It's a $25 styling fee. If you have a Nordstrom card, the styling fee is waived. You can get it monthly, you can get it quarterly. I get it on demand. I love it. It's my favorite styling service out there, honestly. So anyway, I'll leave a link below if you'd like to try Trunk Club. I'd love for you to use my link. That would be awesome. And so until next time, I hope you're having a fantastic summer, and I'll see you next time. Bye.